Hello, this is Doug Brook at NorthStar DHI Services. Today we're going to be looking at profit opportunities, specifically looking at turnover management. First thing I want to check out would be in my activity tracker, and I'm going to choose my fresh cows, my sold cows, my died cows, and my non-dairy calls. Also my dairy calls and my all calls. I'm going to be looking at days in milk, selecting my report type, and once I have that listed, I'm going to preview this report. Up here in the upper center, show percentages. So what I'm looking at today would be percent of cows that died. That's 6.4% today, and all calls as a call rate 25.5%. What I want to do is take a look at what's been going on last year at the same time. Now I'm going to go into my activity tracker and use a specific date range. I'm going to start a year earlier, and I'm also going to end a year earlier with the same activities that are going to be presented in the chart at the end. So I will preview that. I will show my percentages. Here I have a died percentage for the year of 8.4 and all calls at 28.3. If I'm looking at 2% as a goal for cows that have died and 33% for all calls, that's the call rate, I'm pretty much within the range for all calls, and I've been having an improvement in those cows that have died. So that's one way we can take a look at using activity tracker the cows that have left the herd. I will now go into my user reports. I have a user report that I've already created, and it is called Cows Left the Herd in 365 Days. What I'm going to do is right-click on this report, and I'm going to copy it to a new number. And a new number now is going to be number 26. I'm going to edit that report number 67 for me, and I'm going to call it 4 crosstabs. So I take the same report I have already created to give me my index number and reasons cows left the herd and some projected lactation information. Here in the center part of the screen, to find just those left cows, we have to have these two database items to list. Now I'm going into subgroupings, and I'm going to use 34 as my subgrouping for reasons left the herd, and lower 1, lower 2, upper 2, lower 3, upper 3. Just continue on till I get all the left herd reasons entered into, and X is a 10th reason why cows leave the herd. So now I'm going to save that. I have a button over here in the gray area that says View as Crosstabs. I'll check on that. If I go ahead and click in this down arrow box, do my count, this will tell me the number of cows that have left the herd in the last 365 days for reasons number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and X. Reason number 6 happens to be died. That happens to be the highest percentage of cows leaving the herd in the last 365 days. So things may or may not be looking well, but that's just what the information shows me for the last 365 days. This is Doug Brook at NorthStar DHI Services, looking at turnover management using tools within PCDART. Thank you.